Hey everybody, welcome. It's Mr. Vogel coming at you live with a hot take on science fiction themes 2019. So I've noticed we've had a little issue with understanding what theme is when we're reading a book or a story, so this will help you understand that. So, first thing you need to know, what is theme? The theme is the life lesson of the story. What is it teaching you about life? It could also be said as the main message of the story. What is the point the author is trying to make to you? You can learn this or think about your theme by looking at what the character's actions and beliefs are and how they go about solving their world or their problems with the conflict of the story. So anytime you're reading something, you want to think, what did this story teach me about life? So it's always about big picture, the world that we live in, what can we take and then apply to life that the author is trying to teach us. So one example, and I'll use the story Harrison Bergeron. You look at first what you know about the story. So what do we know? Well, we know that this story, Harrison Bergeron, takes place in a dystopia. It's a future world where everybody has been made equal by handicapping all of their special abilities. No one is stronger or smarter or better than anyone else in the world. Which sounds nice, except this makes everybody's life miserable because they have to carry around heavy bags, they have to wear ugly masks, they have to wear headsets that drown out all of their deep thinking. So, what the author Kurt Vonnegut is trying to teach us is the theme of the story. So the one possible theme could be we should celebrate what makes people special. We should look at people's special abilities and talents and admire them for it and try to learn from them and make the world a better place instead of being jealous. Another possible theme is that, yeah, equality is great. We really want equality, but equality should be about equal opportunities and not about equal abilities. So that should help you understand theme. So what if you're reading The Giver and you want to try to figure out a possible theme for that story? Well, first, you look at what you know. This is a story where there's a community and everything is chosen for all the people of the community. Their job, their husband or wife, their children are all assigned to them. And because there's so much order in this society, there's no crime and there's no poverty, which sounds great. However, people don't experience true love or true feelings, and they have no personal choice, and they have no memories of the past, all of which are bad things. So, what is the theme that Lois Lowry is trying to teach us? One is that remembering the past is important. We can learn a lot by studying our history, and by taking away that history, we're doomed to repeat some of the same problems. Another possible theme is that without pain, there is no joy. Because these people suffer no adversity, they have no problems like crime or poverty or trying to find someone to love them, they don't really get to experience the joy and happiness that comes about finding something on your own. And finally, not all of society's laws are perfect. We all live under a government rule, and our laws are decided for us. We get to vote on some things, and there are changes throughout history, but not everything is always going to be perfect. The beauty of theme, though, however, is that it's completely up to your own interpretation. These are some of the things that I found while reading The Giver, but you might think there is something else that is a theme, and as long as you can justify it with things from the text and textual evidence, then it is a perfectly justifiable theme.